Welcome back, everybody. Today's going to be another unboxing. Hopefully it's going to be childproof. It's the SoundLiberty 53 from Taotronics. Let's get into this box. It's childproof. I love it already. Open it up from the top. There we go. Oh, this is going to be a simple unboxing. Let's see what we get inside. Get a bunch of warranty cards here. Okay. What is this? I think this is, okay. Activate your warranty. Quick start guide. Wow, user guide. This thing is fat. Well, it's in multiple languages. Very efficient. We got another flat USB-A, the USB Type-C cable. Cool. Let's see how many tips we get. Okay, that's definitely large. And we get some, what is that, small and medium piston-sized tips. Okay, now for the buds themselves. Come in a cornstarch little bag. There. That's different. It's a oval shape. See, we got some charging indicator lights on the front here. 4 from the looks of it. Okay, cool. So already trying to pair to something. All right, let's look at the buds. Okay, that's a pretty long stem. Got a stem design, but the stem's pretty long. I like the shape. Look at that shape. They'll fit perfectly in the contours of your ear because they're facing downwards like that at an angle. So when you put them in your ears, it'll be like, kind of be like that. Let me see if that's correct. Yep. Push it in, push them forward, lock in place. Good fit. Won't need spin fits for these then. Good job, Taotronics. Good job. So you got the buds, got the charging case. Let me see what the battery life is on this thing. Let's see, 5 volts at 450 milliamps. Not bad. Well, no, I'm at capacity. 500 milliamps, excuse me. So there you go. Taotronics SoundLiberty 53 unboxing. Thank you. And come back for more.